In this tutorial, I'm going to show you FiveM error generating ROS entitlement token 530 how to fix. Okay, step 1, you have to disable firewall. First, from the Windows search box, navigate to Control Panel, go to Security and Open Systems, make Windows Defender Firewall your choice. Windows Defender Firewall should be enabled. Under the Private Network Settings and Public Network Settings sections, click the Turn off Windows Defender Firewall button. And lastly, close the window by selecting OK. Now, step 2, delete files in the host folder. First, you have to navigate to Drive or C Drive, then launch Windows, then open the system. Next, visit drivers, launch the host directory, delete the whole contents of the file, publish it, and shut the window. Then begin FiveM. Step 3, delete the file from CitizenFX. So you can also try deleting the CitizenFX file from your computer to see if the problem with the RS entitlement token in your FiveM is resolved. Follow the instructions below to do that. In the Windows search box, type App Data, visit Roaming, select the CitizenFX folder, then get rid of ROS ID.dat. Okay, so step 4, uninstall and reinstall FiveM. To do that, so if the issue is being caused by a technical issue with FiveM, this will assist in fixing it. First, you have to access the control panel. Next, choose Programs. Then select Remove a Program. Select FiveM now, then click Uninstall on the tab. Confirm the uninstall and watch as FiveM is removed. So that's how easy it is. Step 5, contact FiveM support team. So after completing all the solutions in this section, you ought to be able to fix the ROS entitlement token error in FiveM. However, if the error persists when you try to play in FiveM, you must get in touch with the FiveM support team. When you let them know what the issue is, they ought to be able to help you. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.